Hello students, happy to be with you through this video session. Try to recall what you have learned in the last video session. You have learned what is meant by nutrient, what are the nutrient contents which is present in the food, and we have discussed about carbohydrates and fats, their functions and food sources. Now, in this video session, we are going to learn other nutrient contents. How many of you like to play with building blocks? I think most of you played with building blocks. And you have made lots of vehicles, toys, animal creatures, etc. Right? In this picture, you can see these two kids are building a toy with the help of blocks by arranging one above the other. This toy's body is made up of blocks. Likewise, our body is made up of small units called cells. In third grade, you have learned about levels of organization in human body. Cells combine together and form a tissue. Tissues combine together and form an organ. Organs combine together and form an organ system. Organ systems combine together and form an organism. Example, human being. So, cell is the basic structural and fundamental unit of all living organisms. While at birth, we will be very small. Our head will be small, our hands, fingers, stomach, legs, every body parts will be very small. But when the days are passed on, we used to grow. Our body size will be increased. Every year, our height will be increased at least 2 to 5 centimeters. Do you know which type of nutrient will help us to grow? Very good. Protein. Protein's main function is it promotes growth. Look at this picture. A person has an injury in the leg. This will happen to you often while playing, right? When you are injured, at least the skin will be peeled off in the injured area. You already know that the skin covers the muscles and the internal organs of our body. The skin is also made up of cells. So, the skin cells are get damaged. This should be rectified unless it will causes infection or diseases. The damaged cells will be repaired and it will be replaced by newly growing cells. So, protein helps to repair the damaged cells in our body. What is the function of protein? Protein helps in growth and repair of body cells or body parts. Protein. Our body cells keep growing in number all the time. For example, our hair and nails keep growing. Protein helps your body to grow. They helps your body to build muscles, other organs and the blood. Hence, protein-rich foods are called as body building food. Children need more protein than adults. Do you know why? Children will grow more faster than adults. Their body parts will grow faster. Their height will be increased faster than the adults. Their growth rate is fast. During and after adult stage, the growth rate is very slow. That's why children need more proteins for their growth. Protein also helps to repair the damaged parts, especially after sickness and injury. Example for protein-rich foods are milk, egg, fish, cheese, pulses, and meat. Milk, cheese, pulses, nuts, eggs, and fish are some of the main sources of proteins. Next, we are going to discuss about vitamins and minerals. They are called as protective nutrients because it will boost our immune system and protects us from diseases. Vitamins and minerals are both essential nutrients which are required in a daily diet. Altogether, there are 13 essential vitamins and many minerals which are required for the body to function properly and to maintain the optimal health. Both vitamins and minerals combined perform hundreds of roles in the body. Vitamins are of two types. They are classified based on their solubility. When the vitamins are soluble in water and it will be readily used by our body, that vitamins are called as water soluble vitamins. They are B vitamins. B vitamins are of 9 types. Altogether, they are combinedly called as B complex vitamins. And one more vitamin is there, vitamin C. Then, fat soluble vitamins. The vitamins which are soluble only with the help of fat, and then it will be utilized by our body. Without the help of fat, these vitamins will not be used by our body. So, example for fat soluble vitamins are vitamin A, D, E, and K. These are the vitamin A rich foods. Example, watermelon, spinach, carrot, parsley, broccoli, apricot, pepper, grapes, apple, papaya, egg, dairy products, fish, green leaf vegetables. These are the sources of vitamin D. Sunlight. Sunlight is the best source for vitamin D. Apart from that, some foods are also having vitamin D. They are whole grains, cheese, butter, cereals, fish, and milk. Vitamin C rich foods are orange, lemon, amla or gooseberry, tomato, green vegetables, etc. Vitamin E rich foods are almonds, mustard greens, dried apricots, bell peppers, pine nuts, cold pressed plant oils, red chili powder, avocado, green olives, papaya, sunflower seeds, cooked spinach, etc. When you look at the food sources of each vitamins, vitamin A is present in particular fruits and vegetables. Vitamin D is present in particular food items. Vitamin E is present in particular fruits and vegetables. Likewise, each and every vitamins are present in some food items, fruits and vegetables. This is same for minerals also. Each and every fruits, vegetables and food items has its own nutrients. Hence, you should not consume same kind of fruits, vegetables and food items. You have to eat variety of foods so that we can get all kind of nutrients. These are the 16 essential minerals required by the body. They are calcium, chloride, magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, sodium, chromium, copper, fluoride, iodine, iron, manganese, molybdenum, selenium, sulfur and zinc. These minerals are present in different food items. These are the major minerals which is required by our body. Calcium, magnesium, iron, potassium and zinc. Each and every minerals has their own functions and they are present in different food items. We have discussed about all the nutrients which is present in the food. What are the nutrient content which is present in the food? Carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. Apart from the nutrients, food is also having roughage and water. Roughage is the fiber part of the food we eat. It cannot be digested and also has no food value. But it is very important as it helps our body to move the undigested food through the digestive system and out of the body. Fruits, vegetables, and cereals are rich in roughage. Roughage helps in easy bowel movement and easy excretion of waste products from the digestive system. Next, water. Water is needed by our body to function properly. 60% of our body's weight is made up of water. Our body needs water. Food contains some amount of water, but it is not sufficient. Your body needs more water. Water is having many important functions in our body. So, you must drink at least 8 glasses of water every day. Those who are having enough amount of roughage and water, they will be fit and healthy. They will find easy to excrete the waste products from their body regularly. Those who are not consuming enough amount of roughage and water, they will develop a condition called constipation. They will find very hard to excrete the waste products. This constipation will lead to a health issues like headache, stomach pain, stress, anger, and adverse health conditions like piles. So, you must eat fiber-rich foods and you have to drink lots of water every day. Next, we are going to discuss about balanced diet. The food that you eat every day is your diet. The diet that provides all the nutrients in the right amount is called a balanced diet. You have to ensure that are you intaking a balanced diet every day. A balanced diet keeps you fit and healthy. Scientists use a food pyramid which shows how much of different types of food you should eat in a day for a correct balanced diet. This is the standard food pyramid. When we are arranging the nutrients according to their need or according to their quantity or amount of nutrients, we can get this standard food pyramid. Throughout the day, we need energy. So we have to eat lots of carbohydrate rich foods. So carbohydrate occupies the bottom place of the food pyramid. Examples for carbohydrate rich foods are bread, rice, pasta, potatoes and other starches. Next to carbohydrates, we have to consume more amount of fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables are having all kind of nutrients, especially with vitamins and minerals. Next to vitamins and minerals, we have to take protein rich foods. Example, meat, fish, eggs, cheese, milk, butter and cream. We have to consume little amount of fats only. So that's why fats are occupying the topmost part of the food pyramid. Example for fat rich food is oil, butter, cream. This is the standard food pyramid for a balanced diet. This is our South Indian food item. Our South Indian food item is a very good example for a balanced diet. We are consuming rice. Rice is having rich amount of carbohydrates. We are consuming dal, sambar. This dal and sambar are having more amount of protein. We are consuming more amount of vegetables and fruits. These vegetables and fruits are having vitamins and minerals. We are adding ghee, butter and oil to prepare these food items. These are having more amount of fats. So all the nutrients are present in our South Indian food items. So it is a very good example for the balanced diet. You are what you eat. If you are eating healthy food, you will become a healthy person. If you are not considering about a healthy food and eating the junk foods, you will become unhealthy. So, you are what you eat. Think before you eat. Good food supports good physical and emotional health. Eat healthy, stay healthy. I hope in this session you have learned what are the nutrients which is present in the food and what are their functions, and you have learned about balanced diet. Today's assignment is you have to write what is meant by a balanced diet in your homework note, and you have to draw the food pyramid for a balanced diet in your scrap note. For that, you have to refer standard food pyramid picture in this video. Thank you.